Hi, I'm Michael Hunt, one half of the joint team with Margrie Hunt, formerly Cedars Pottery. My wife and I met at college in London doing a degree in ceramics, so we're ceramic artists. Moved back to Antigua in 1996. I'm originally from Antigua, left the island age 7. I was painting and drawing from age 9, but my passion switched from the age of 13, and it's been clay ever since. My attraction to clay, a lot of people find it's messy, it's sticky. The thing of manipulating this material, pushing it, pinching it, rolling it, stretching it, that gets me. Taught myself to carve stone and wood. I've even had a dabble at recycled cans that we have on island. My thing is, I always tell people the way I work is quite anal and very structured, and I'm about form and design and very crisp surfaces. I don't do much ornamentation and decorative finishes on things. So it's really more sculptural. We have different approaches with the material. My wife she works very organically. She just creates pieces as she imagines them. She doesn't sketch, she doesn't do models or anything. She just gets straight in with the raw material and builds pieces. And she's very immediate. She doesn't deal with machinery or tools or measurements. It really is spontaneous. I still think I'm becoming. I haven't really produced my quintessential pieces yet. That's yet to happen. And I'm just beginning to find my time, my space to do the things that I would do. So that's what I'm looking forward to, the artist I'm becoming, what's next around the corner. I'm excited about that, finding out who I'm becoming. Yes, so come visit us at Margrie Hunt. We have a wonderful evolving garden. We do paint-a-pot classes. You can explore your creative juices in a couple hours. We're glad to see you.